You also have what are called um, publication, because the probate you have to publish that the estate is going through probate. So those are other fees, can anywhere from $200 to $1,000. But these that I'm talking about, and the filing fees maybe around $500. But these are small fees, generally speaking, compared to other fees that have to be paid. So if you have an executor, well, by law, the executor and any attorney who's working on this, they will each receive, so depending on what the amount of the estate is. So let's say your estate is $10 million. Then by law, they would receive 4% for the first 100,000, which is 4,000, 3% for the next 100,000, which is 3,000, and then 2% for the next 800,000. So that means 2% of the next 800,000, that would be another 16,000. So for the first $1 million, you're paying out 23,000 of that money to the executor, and 23,000 out to the attorney who's helping you. So, but you still have another 9 million. So in the next 9 million, it's 1%. Well, what's 1% of 9 million? Well, 1% would be 90,000. So you're paying out a total of 113,000 to the executor and 113,000 to the probate attorney. So that's over 225,000. Now, relatively speaking, compared to a $10 million estate, that doesn't seem that much. But even if money is still owed on the assets, maybe the estate is going to be less than that. But these fees must still be paid. So oftentimes, when you have a trust, you do not have to go through probate. So if all this property, let's say you have the same $10 million, and instead of just having it in your name, and then it has to be probated, you have it in a trust. So if it's in a trust, then it does not go through probate. You don't have to open a probate. So that means that you don't have to pay, or the estate does not have to pay over $200,000 in fees, plus whatever filing fees, maybe $200